Benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a type of eating pattern of eating and fasting. Did you know there are benefits of intermittent fasting as an eating pattern? 1. Can help you lose weight and visible fat. Intermittent fasting can make someone eat fewer meals and in the short term. Intermittent fasting increases metabolic rate. It can help you burn more calories. 2. Can reduce insulin resistance and your risk of type 2 diabetes. This part is not medical advice and it's for educational purposes only. Anything that can reduce insulin resistance, help lower blood sugar, and go against type 2 diabetes. 3. Has benefits for your own brain. What the body is sensing that is good has an effect on the brain. Intermittent fasting helps reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, blood sugar levels, insulin resistance. This also increases growth of new neurons and protect the human brain from damage. 4. There's a chance that intermittent fasting can help prevent Alzheimer's disease. There were studies from animals that intermittent fasting against diseases similar to Alzheimer's disease. This maybe has been studied in humans too, so this isn't medical advice. 5. May extend someone's lifespan to live longer. One study that intermittent fasting had the possibility to have the ability to extend lifespan. Now there were many studies on mice and rats, while this also helped delay conditions such as fatty liver disease and hepatocellular carcinoma, which study shows that it's common in the mice who age. At the end of the day, this isn't a video who is a professional or a doctor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Find a trusted doctor and ask.